Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce Shinobi. My name is Rajul and in today's video we will discuss about how can we set up the Lightning Web Component environment inside our Windows machine. So if you see here, I am in a Windows environment operating system. Okay, so what are the prerequisites you have required? Means like you have to install a few softwares inside your machine to develop the Lightning Web Component. So these are the software like which we have required. So first we will install the Node.js. Okay, so from where you can download the Node.js. So just to go to their Chrome, and you can download the Node.js from its official website. So just if you Node.js, and you have to download this, and it is already downloaded. If you see here, yeah, so just click on this and install this in your machine. After installing this, like you have to check it is successfully installed or not. So how can you check this? Okay, just go to this command prompt and type node. If it is successfully installed in your machine, so I have already installed this, so I am not installing once it again. Okay, if it is already installed in your machine, so you will see this type of message like welcome to the Node.js. If you are getting error, then you have not set up your environment variable path. Okay, so how can set up your path in this Windows machine? So just go to your start menu, start, and type environment variable. So if you see here, you can find this, open this, and if you see here, here's the path variable is there. So just go, so select your path. So from where you can copy. If you see here, I've installed the Node.js, and it installed inside this user.asp app data and roaming. So you can set up this path. Okay, now it will work fine. So I can check this, and I can write node underscore version. Okay, node -v npm -v. This is how that you can check that which version of Node.js install your machine, and also like how it is properly installed or not. After like setting up the environment variable, you are able to it will work for you. Okay. Now next steps, which software we have to install. So next software we have to install is the Git. So as know everyone knows like what is Git. So Git is the version control system. So you can where you can store your like the VS like Lightning Web Component code. So from where so you can also download the Git from official website. So Git. Uh, so you can download the Git from here. It is available for all these OS. Like it is for Windows, it is for Linux, and it is for Mac. Okay, so now we are in Windows machine, so you can download the for Windows. Okay, just you can click here, so it will download and install your machine. Okay, now how can you check that Git is installed your machine or not? So just a simple thing. So I've already installed it. So if I write Git, so if you see here, it is working fine for me. Uh, Git underscore p. Yep. Okay, so now v is not any command, but see if you I do git init or all these things, so it is working fine for me. Okay, so we have already installed the gits. Now jump to the next software which we have to install. So if you see here, the next software which we have to install is the Salesforce CLI. So basically, what is Salesforce CLI? Salesforce CLI is nothing but it is a command line interface which is provided by the Salesforce to communicate with the org. So you can push the Lightning Web Component through this CLI. Okay, so it will link with the means it will connect your local machine with the org. So you can push your Lightning Web Component to the org by using the Salesforce CLI. So from where you can download the Salesforce CLI. So just you have to you can download it from the uh, this like original website Salesforce. If you write a Salesforce CLI, so if you see it is provided by the Salesforce, you can download it. It is available for all, as I told you, like it is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. Now we are Windows machine, so you can so make sure that which if your system 64-bit, download 64-bit, otherwise download it for the 80, means like the 32-bit. Okay, so you can choose here. So I have already downloaded. Okay, uh, now, so how can you check that Salesforce CLI is installed in your system or not? So you can write the SFDX command in your system. If this command is working fine, then this Salesforce CLI is successfully installed in your system. So for Salesforce CLI also, if it is not working like this, so you have to set the path for this. So wherever you have installed, means in which repo or in which directory, or when you have installed this Salesforce CLI, you have to set the path inside the environment variable section. So just as you see here, I have already set up the path for the, see, this is the for the SDK command line tools latest bit. Okay, I have already set up the path. If you see here, I have already set up the path. Why it is not opening? So yeah, you can set up the path here. Like see, I have set up the path this SDK tools for the SDK. SFDX bin. If you see here, I have set up the path for this Salesforce CLI tool inside a Windows machine. Once you have set up this part, and you can try the, if you run this command SFDX in your local machine, then it will start working on your computer, on your machine also. Now then we have to install the next software. So we have to install the JDK. So JDK is nothing but is Java development kit. So it is, you can also download from the JDK from uh, Google. So if you see, or its original website, so if you see here GDK is available, you can download it from this official website and set up the environment variable for this also. So the same thing for the environment variable, like you have to click on this environment variable, and like you can set up the path. If you see here, I've set up the path for the Java. Okay, and if it is after setting up the path, you can write the Java underscore v. So underscore. So see, if you see here, I'm able to see the version. So it is also successfully installed on my machine. Okay, I will provide you all these links of the software. Okay, inside our description box. So we from where you can download all these softwares. Okay, so don't worry about it. And now next thing, what we have to install, we have to install this Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is not a thing, but it is a code editor. You can choose any code editor whichever you want, but I will recommend you use this Visual Studio Code to develop the Lightning Web Component, because here you will got the some extension which is provided by the Salesforce, which is help you to create a Lightning Web Component in easy way. Okay, so from where you can download this code editor, so you have to just write the VS Code and inside your Chrome, and it will take to you this original website, and from here you can download it for Windows. So I have already downloaded. I will show you. If you see, I have already downloaded the VS Code inside my machine. And after installing it, just what you have to do, uh, you have to click on this extension pack. Okay, and this is extension pack is provided by the Salesforce, so it will help you to create a lightning web component in your machine. So this is all. One second, it is opening. I don't know why it is taking so much time. Huh. So if you write, you have to write this Salesforce here, and if you see, it will show you the Salesforce extension pack. So just click on this or this. So I have already installed it. Just install this Salesforce extension pack in your machine, and you are able to use the sales. Means you are able to create a Lightning Web component inside your machine. So these are the setup like you have to do before start developing into the Lightning Web component. So make sure that if everything is installed correctly and it is working as expected. So if you getting any error while doing these type of things, just ping me on comment section. I will help you that if you wherever you are getting error. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. In next video, we will discuss about how can we create a Lightning Web component using this. Thank you. Bye.